Tell me when you're recording.
I'm recording.
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Record my butt. Greetings, people of the interwebs. Now, as you may know, I am one of the country's leading expert in non-troll facts, and we find ourselves today in what is little known to be one of the main troll habitats, or at least used to be one of the main troll habitats. As you see, it's broken and it's very old. But what used to happen is this is where the trolls, at least two trolls in the medieval times, used to come and have their troll book times, if you remember those. So in this area here, if I can show you this area here, if you can just have a look at this long place there, that's it. You can stay there now. Just if you look at this long channel here, if you can imagine a troll washing his troll sausage in this place here, before having troll book times, because trolls were very, very clean creatures, as I've already said before, and think that's why trolls have like the big troll baths and stuff like that.
Asda, everyday tissues. Every day.
Wow, she looks like she's put it on a wonk. Anyway, so yeah, as we were talking about trolls, so as you can see the tower there, that is where the trolls used to sort of go up inside, and the female troll would stand at the top, and what she'd do to attract any male trolls, she'd stand there and she'd go like this, and then any male trolls that were around in that area could see the little buttock dance from the top of that tower, and they'd come from miles around. As you can see from some other footage we shot up at the top, you can see for miles. There's going to be it's a large troll catchment area, and male trolls like nothing better than a shaking debut of the female troll. So this is before actual troll book, the electronic app thing. This is like going back to analog days of troll book. But yeah, it's interesting facts of places you never knew were anything to do with trolls, but they totally are. And I like that bit over there. You see, just think, if that wall could talk, how many terrible things it will have seen. Terrible, terrible things. This has been Simon Jeffries, signing off from Troll News.